Should we shoot? Should we shoot? Two. That's two down.
Move up.
I see 4. 3 down.
Yeah, they're behind the trees.
That's 4 down.
4 down?
Yeah.
Guys, move up to the base.
There's still 1 alive, right?
This thing just ran out.
I see him too. No, but he has eyes on me. I'm hit. Back in.
Well done.
He is not calling that. Come on now.
Where they at? Yeah, you got it. You see. We need to eliminate this other fire team like right now. We're losing too much time. I don't have visual, man.
There's somebody on the far left shooting at us.
One 12 o'clock behind the tree.
Yeah, that's been a minute.
Guys, I see Shannon. Targets, if you see him, let us know. I see Shannon, 12 o'clock.
Where are they?
Let them medic each other. Guys, he's moving up on me. Guys, my 12.
Yeah, I'm in. They're about to go respawn like right there. Guys, we gotta move.
Somebody like come Bill, 12 o'clock behind that tree. There is a medic.
We gotta go.
On me. On me.
Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. You're good.
Come on, Andrew.
All right, we gotta start pushing in that way so we can get that briefcase.
Yeah.
Are they both dead over there?
I don't want to split up. Yeah, somebody does need to defend the bunker.
Oh, here they come. Oh, no, they don't.
I mean, if we split up and we lose guys, we get in a firefight like that, it's like 3 of us will be able to take on a whole nother target.
Let's start pushing in that way and try and get that briefcase.
What if they have the briefcase and they're going to secure it?
Hey, let's go check these guys out. They might have it. You never know. They could be just chilling there with it right now.
Keep it spaced out, guys. Make sure you know where everybody's at.
Oh, I thought that was the case.
It looks like that man packing the top. The briefcase is also marked red.
So you'll be able, yeah, you'll be able to see it.
Yeah, you can see it.
DJ, you just pimp slapped that branch.
Keep this skirmish line spread out, parallel each other.
DJ.
Okay, I'm a little confused. We're missing a team?
Unless the team down there just hasn't done anything.
Well, that's what I'm wondering is where's the box?
I don't know. That's what we're trying to find, I guess. Well, it's going to be close to that team in that corner because they got to choose where to put it. It's going to be close to the team in the corner down there because they got to choose where to put it. All right.
Copy that. Can you hear me like this? Can you hear me okay? We're going to keep this telephone moving towards the road. And we put road, moves up on the bring back to the okay?
What? No. I'll push out farther though. You hear that? Hey DJ, there's fire coming from that way. There's fire coming from that way. Yeah. Oh, I see him. There's one right here. Andrew, come back. Yeah. Yeah, they're going for the bunker. Hey, they're about 200 yards that way. We can move. Yo, I saw 3. I'm right here. Huh? Alright. Everybody find a big tree. Let's watch them and see what they do first. Let's watch them and see what they do first. Anybody see him? Oh, wait, no, that's Will. Yo. Yeah. I don't see him anymore. Oh, they're at the bunker. I can see them walking around it. You want to go for it? Oh, that's game.